Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. We are going to continue our lecture series on urinalysis. In this video, we are going to talk about the gross evaluation of the urine sample. Before evaluation, we know the procedure that all those methods through which we can get the sample. The sample is sent to the lab via protocols. What are the protocols? Protocols are all those things like you should know. You should be labeling the sample. You should protect it from the sunlight because many things like bilirubin are photosensitive, and it is present in urine, and if it is exposed to the light it will get degraded, and in the lab results you are going to have false bilirubin values. So protect it from the direct sunlight. Maintain the temperature, like extreme cold or hot temperature will affect the crystals and casts that are normally present in the urine. So send that sample to the lab via protocols, and in the lab we do number one gross evaluation, and after that we went for the microscopic evaluation. So this lecture is on the gross evaluation. In the gross evaluation, we have these four things. Number one, volume. We measure the volume we are having. Number two, color. We are going to see the color variations, what each color tells. Number third is clarity. Clarity means transparency of the urine. Like if you are having a very a clear transparent urine, it means the animal is hydrated. But if it is having cloudy like appearance, it means it is not it may mean many of the factors, like it may have increased urine specific gravity, it may be dusty or anything like that. Then we check the specific gravity. Specific gravity is being checked by some refractometers. So these are some points we keep in mind while gross evaluation, that we have to see these. Next we are going to talk about the color in detail, because it is an important one. While discussing color, you should know that yellow or clear urine is the typical urine. That means it is a normal color of the urine, and you can see the color in this picture. Next we have is red, deep red or reddish brown urine color. What does this color indicates? That the animal is either having hematuria, hemoglobinuria, myoglobinuria, porphyria, and some like medicines like phenothiazine, aminopyrine, or animal is suffering from methemoglobinuria. So there is like all those indications regarding each color, and you just have to memorize these, and as a good veterinarian you should know these. Next we have is amber color. Amber color represents the concentrated urine, or it represents the high urine specific gravity. Next we have is colorless or pale yellow urine. This color represents basically dilute urine or low urine specific gravity. Next we have is cloudy urine. Cloudy urine indicates like it is also related to some species, and it also indicates that mucus is present in the urine, or increased cellularity, bacteriuria, that bacteria is present in the urine, crystalluria, that is crystals or stones are present in the urine, spermatozoa, and some contamination like any dust particles or anything. Next, we have greenish yellow, brown green. Biliverdin or bile pigments are present in the urine, and this particular color urine will form if it is shaken. Like you can see the thick layer of the form, because it is a shaken one. So you can see this type of urine, this colored urine will always form when shaken. And next, last we have three colors that are less rarely observed. The number one is brown to black, that indicates methemoglobin or metronidazole or lead toxicity, and that is why it is very important to ask the owner the question that is there any previous medications that were being given to the animal or not. Then blue green indicates methocarbamol, methylene blue, or amitriptyline. These drugs, and blue purple, that is very rarely observed color, but it is diet related or related to some fruit. So this was all related to the gross evaluation of a urine and what each color indicates in the lab. That was all. Thank you so much.